How to switch from Amazon Business to Personal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch from Amazon Business to Personal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to have your Amazon app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account on Amazon app. Now, you can head over to your profile. That is on the bottom, you'll see a person looking icon. So tap on it and you'll be on this page right here. Now after you're on this page, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on this drop down button that says hello your name. So tap on that and there you will see switch account. Tap on switch account and switch to your personal account. Now this is the first way. The second way is you can tap on the three lines on the bottom and there you will see account. It'll just take you to that very same place. From here, you can scroll down and there you'll find account settings. Under there, you'll find switch accounts. Tap on it. And now from here, you can switch it to your personal as well. And that's how you switch from Amazon Business to Amazon Personal. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.